Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I want to show you guys how I prepare my face toner. So stay tuned and watch to the end. And also please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe and also hit notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified whenever I post any video. So stay tuned and watch to the end. So guys, before we start, what I have here is my hot water. Then I also have my green tea. This is tea tree essential oil, but it's totally optional. Then this is my spray bottle. You can use any container of your choice. Then my transparent funnel. So I will start by infusing the tea with the hot water. Then we'll leave it for some minutes to infuse and allow it to cool down. I only need 70% of this tea because I'll be adding 30% of apple cider vinegar. But I think I added away too much, so I still have to reduce the tea. This is my apple cider vinegar. You can use any brand of your choice, but please make sure it's brown apple cider vinegar. Please don't go for the white one, please. Now I have to add my apple cider vinegar. So this is it. This is how it looks like. Now I have to add my essential oil. Like I said before, this oil is totally optional. So I'm adding 4 drops of it in case if you want to use it. So now we are done preparing our tea. So I have to cover it and shake it very well so that the whole ingredients will mix together. This face toner is totally amazing. It will help to tighten your pores, clear out your acne and dry your pimples. Just give it a try, you will love it. So I'm going to show you guys 2 ways that you can use this face toner. So guys, I'm going to show you guys 2 ways that you can use your face toner. This is the face toner. First of all, you have to shake it so that the 3 ingredients can mix together. Then I have cotton pad here. The first step is to use your cotton pad just like this. Then you use it and clean your face. The one that I added is not enough, so I have to add a little bit. And I continue with my cleaning. So you can see this face toner, it has a tingling sensation because of the tea tree essential oil that I added. So it's very okay for your acne and pores. It will also help to dry out your pimples. So I suggest you will give it a try. So this is the first step. Then the second step is that you can use it as a mist, as your face mist, just like this. So guys, let me know if you have tried this kind of toner before, and also if you know any other thing that you would like to see on my channel, please leave it in the comment section below. And also if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Just subscribe and also hit notification bell so so that you'll be the first to be notified whenever I post a new video. So thanks for watching my video.